just about to run out of date. July. Oh, I know. Oh, hey guys. You know your refrigerator report about to run out of date. It's gonna be a new one out on August the 1st. Excuse me while I eat my bacon. August the 1st, we go get a new one. And it tells you everything that's going on at the Wait Church. Make sure when you come out on August the 1st, you get your magnet if you didn't get one already, because I can put this thing right here on my Frigidaire, right here on my fridge. And every time I come in here to get me some bacon or some chicken or my water, it's right here where I can see everything that's going on. So, y'all make sure you see me on August the 1st to get your second edition copy of the refrigerator report.